Step 1. Choose an easily accessible outlet for your AC adapter. Step 2. Remove adhesive backing and mount key components in their desired locations. When selecting the location of your control box, consider where you want your hands-free motion sensor to be. Also, ensure the AC adapter cord can reach with some slack to be hidden later on. Most kits include light bars with and without power buttons. Be sure to place bars with buttons in easy-to-access locations. Step 3. Connect and clip all parts to complete your installation. First, connect the motion sensor control box to the power source. Next, connect the control box to the first light bar using a jumper wire. In most cases, a 4-inch wire is sufficient. Lastly, connect the remaining light bars to each other using provided jumper wires. After all of your cords are connected, hide the wires. Use the wire clips provided to route and tidy up any loose or hanging cords for a professional look. And there you have it, a professional installation of under-cabinet lighting in only a fraction of the time. No tools required.